via digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a program using if, elif, else statement in Python. By using a program. The program is enter a number. The given number is positive number or negative number or zero number. Write a Python program. Write a program to find the given number. The given number is positive number or negative number or zero number. Positive number or negative number or zero number. We enter a number, the number is positive number or negative number or zero number. For example, enter the number is 19. It is a positive number or negative number or zero number. It is a positive number. It is a positive number. For example, if you are entered into a number, for example, minus 90. The number is called as a negative number. For example, if you are entered into the 0, the number is a, your entered number is 0. Your entered number is 0 number. How to find? Your entered number is either 0 or negative or positive. If the number is greater than 0, it is a positive. The number is greater than 0, positive number. The number is negative less than 0, negative number. The number is equal to 0, it is a zero number. This is a basic condition. The given number is above 0, greater than 0, positive number, less than 0, negative number, and equal to 0, zero number. Here we are using if, elif, else statement. In this program, we are using if, elif, else statement. First the input is enter any number. The input is the number. First enter the number from the keyboard and equal to input of enter any number. To find this number is even number or odd number. Sorry, this number is positive number or negative number or zero number. If the given number n is greater than 0. The given number n is greater than 0. Print of given number is positive number. Given number is positive number. Greater than 0 if it is a positive number. Elif using one more condition and less than 0. Print given number is negative number. Given number is negative number. Else the last one is given number is zero number. Here we are using if, elif, else statement. We are using if, elif, else statement. After entering the number, it is greater than 0, positive. It is less than 0, negative. It is equal to 0, zero number. When we are run the module, run the current step, enter any number. The number equal to, for example, 67. 67 is greater than 0. 67. Enter the number. The number value is here they execute the first statement. This is the n value. N value is 67. Your entered number is 67. If this, check the condition. 67 is greater than 0. 67 is greater than 0. This condition returns true. This block will be executed. Remain the block is not executed. So here the output is given number is positive number. This is the output. Clear all of you up to here? Clear, guys? Okay. Run the program one more time. Run the program. Okay. Enter any number. For example, if I enter the number equal to 0. So here the n value is 0. For example, here the n value is 0. This is n value is 0. Enter the number. Your entered number is 0. 0 is greater than 0. This condition returns false. Okay, clear. Very good. Nice. Again, the control goes to elif part. Again, execute the second condition. 0 is less than 0. This condition also returns false. Again, the control goes to next one. Execute this block. This block is given number is 0 number. Given number is 0 number. Run the module. This is the output. Here the output is given number is 0 number. Okay, clear, guys? Up to here. And the next module. and run one more time. Okay, we are using enter any number. For example, the number is minus 75. Number is minus 75. Okay, minus 75. Here the n value is, what is the n value? N value is minus 75. The n value is minus 75. And this is the n value. Again, let's check the condition. Minus 75 is greater than 0. This condition returns a false value. This condition returns false. So this is not executed. Again, check the condition. Minus 75 is less than 0. This condition returns a true value. So immediately execute this block. This block is given number is negative number. Okay, run the module. Okay, enter. Given number is negative number. Given number is negative number. The output is your entered number is negative number. Either positive or negative or 0 number. Okay, guys, up to here clear. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye.